other thing I wanted to do is this thing has a little wrench that I use for the bracket to hold my alternator on, and this part right here is not connected and it will fall out. I thought what I might do is just put a little spot weld right about there while I'm waiting, and that should take care of that. In fact, I could use my arc welder, just put a very quick little bzz to it, and that would take care of it too. That's quick and easy right here. I will take me 1 or 2 seconds to do that, and that would be done. Oh, we're going. I love quick fixes. I'm going to put a little piece of metal shield down under that to catch any pieces of hot slag that come off. I would want one to burn a hole in the radiator hose, or there's a gas line right in there. Anything like that. Got some that. Got a little Bonami on the motor yesterday. I guess I can squirt that off while I'm right here. I heard to dust that breather up a little bit. Might decide to find me a little wing nut for that breather also. That could be a good thing. I guess another thing I could look at is this here. I designed this little contraption to fit over my alternator, just a coffee can, and I just did that for looks. But I can put that back on there, I suppose. I think I'll wait though, because if I wind up pulling this head off, I'll probably want to move all this out of the way. I don't know. I probably would to get the intake off of there. I'll hold off on that for a little bit.